Good. So we are going to start in GitHub and create a new repository. Let's give it a name. My second SPDI app. Now I'm going to call it an app, an application. Okay. Let's say it is public. Okay. And I'm going to add a README file by default, and I'm going to add a git ignore. Yeah. And also I'm going to we will leave the licenses. Okay. But the git ignore, you see, we can now get the template directly from here. Visual Studio, right? So my second SPDB app, and add a README, add a git ignore, and create repository. Public. Now, you realize in local I have nothing. In my local, this doesn't exist in sources. See, users, mic, source, repos, into access. Repos, I have nothing. Yes, no projects, nothing. And but now I have a repository, an online repository in GitHub. So, and it's got 2 files. Yes, so I click here, and it's not saying to me it's empty. You need to upload some files or whatever. No, it's just saying, okay, yes, it's got a README file. Yes, a README MD file with this title. Okay, that I can modify, and I can add some more information. All right. So how do I take this project, this code, yes, to my local computer? With this, we make a clone. We say git clone. So I go here, I open in the root, in repos. I don't need to create my second SPDBI app folder. No. So I do it in my root folder. So that means in the folder where when I clone the project, the repository, sorry, a new folder like this will be created. Yes. So I am in source repos, and I have to say the order git clone, and the clone I have to give the remote address of the repository. Where can I get the address? So here, when it says code, say clone and HTTPS, and I have here the URI of my git remote repository. Can copy and and we have the remote and the okay, it's cloning, and see if I say now, if I see now, okay, inside repos there's a new folder, and inside that folder I have a git .git folder. So this is a repository, and the files that were in the remote at the beginning. So the README MD and the git ignore I have set to add. Yes. So if I say now, if I say cd my second SPDI app, you say it's created a main, okay, not a master. Well, now Microsoft is just acquired GitHub some months ago, and they are making some changes. Now the branch is called the main branch is called main and not master. So we have to take that into account because this has changed. We only have a branch, which is git branch, main branch. Okay. So you have to be aware. In fact, I have to be aware also because I'm not used to working with the main branch, but now it's like this. And if we say git status, yes, we are in a repository, yes. It says, okay, you are in a repository on Brain March, up to date with origin main, nothing to commit, working team clean. And it's already got, up to date with origin main, it has already got an remote origin, yeah, as I say. If I say git remote, it's origin, okay. Let's see, git remote, with remote, okay. Rename, resolve, prune, get URL. Wait. Git remote, get URL. Get URL, sorry, from origin. Yes. You see, it is configured. It's like I have said, git remote add, yes, origin, etc. In fact, what clone does, yeah, is git clone equals, okay, to, sorry, 3 things. Ow. Git init, okay, in the local repository. Git add, git remote add origin http slash semicolon slash okay, and a git pull. Yes, git clone is the same as these 3. If I did if I created the folder and I did these 3 commands. Initialize our repository, add an origin, a remote origin, okay, and pull the contents from the remote origin. Yes.